Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So as promised, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys my website, my first website, and how I designed it, like everything I did in the website, the pages, how the pages are look like what were my shipping times, the apps I used, and everything, everything. And in yesterday I wanted to upload a video, but yesterday and the day before that I had big problems with PayPal because they are holding my money. And with this product, I did like one meme page shout out that was uh, that was on my niche. And the first shout out, guys, it was so successful. The customers were like buying through like they were buying a couple of items. I wasn't there even upselling them to. They just love the product. So in the last product that I did, in the first shout out, I wasn't profitable. Like no, I had like many visitors, but nobody bought. In the second show, I had one bought, and the third and fourth, they keep coming, and I had more sales and more sales. But in this side, in first shout out, I got like around $150 in revenue. So yeah, so PayPal is holding it, and it says that like I have to upload the tracking numbers and stuff. So I went to the agent and said, yo, when I'm going to get these tracking numbers, and the agent was like, yeah, at the moment it's night right now, I can't do anything, so you should wait until tomorrow. So I'm gonna wait until tomorrow and see how it goes. So yeah, guys, that's what I've been doing. I've been like, I don't want my PayPal account get like blacklisted, because like PayPal is very important. And many customers pay with PayPal because it makes it like much easier for them. And like you don't have to use PayPal, like, but if you don't use it, you're obviously gonna leave the money on the table. Because PayPal like makes everything very easy, but PayPal, they hate dropshippers, so you have to make sure that you have the fast shipping and stuff. And I sent the documents for my business to Facebook to get my business manager verified. And it been today is the second day and haven't got any answer. When I go to the website, it says in review. And I'm trying to get my Facebook ad course from Facebook. I can leave that in the description below as well. So if your ads get banned, you're gonna say like, hey, I have done your course or something like that. So we do know what we're talking about. So please, I don't know, give us it back. So you have a more chance of getting your ad account back. So guys, I'm just going to hop to my computer and show you the website. Hey guys, I had some problem with my laptop because the audio doesn't work. I can film from my laptop, like I can screen record it, but you guys won't hear my voice. So I figured like do it in my phone. So just let's get into it. So the main website color is three colors: the black and white and the brown, and is matching my product. And you're gonna see it like in just 2, 3, 5 minutes. The logo is Eon Comfort with the teddy bear. That is like that logo is my favicon as well. That's match the product as well, as you can see in here. Free track shipping. Keep your bob in comfort. Shop now, and the picture is a stock free picture from pexels.com, and that matched the product and the color as well, as you can see. Introducing Eon Comfort Organic Cotton Sweater Blanket, how it's made, and I talk in here little bit about how the product is and stuff and how it's made. I researched other like big brands in the baby industry, so I try to like be like them kinda, or I didn't copy anything, guys. I did all this on myself, and I just find the high quality pictures, and I just removed the background. Like, this is organic cotton, and organic cotton is kind of best material you can use in baby like clothing, because it they get is like they aren't gonna get any allergies, on this stuff. And the other thing, great quality with cashmere wool. And you down scroll below, you see, remember, basic are the best. Why they nick the product. And then the product, this is the product. As you can see, it's kind of like a teddy bear sweater blanket, and the logo is like a teddy bear, and the color is brown. Everything is brown. I choose this color as my main theme color, and you have white, blue, pink, gray, and red as well. The sizing, when I told you, is very niche down. Is only for 1 year olds and and below that, so the person have to have a baby, and the baby has to be between 1 month and 12 months to be able to buy this product. So that was kind of hard to sell. And here you can see why pay the full price, enter your email below to receive 10% discount, blah blah blah. And here we see pages. I'm gonna show you more in depth. So we go to full detail. This is a product page. When you choose this one, like, yeah, as you can see, like, I don't know why this is not working at the moment. So yeah, it's probably works. Yeah, so you can see I'm using trust badges, but these trust badges are the ones that I'm like offering easy return, money back guarantee, free worldwide shipping. I'm not saying like safe checkout. Nobody cares about checkout, guys. Like, nobody nobody cares. So I here you can see I use the Giphy, like, that shows how the product is usage. Everything is very beautiful. Your next winter walks with your little one in our super cute Eon Comfort. Oh, I'm gonna show you blanket, and you can see here I'm using another like kind of trust badge as seen in Vogue, Today, Oprah magazine. So this one is pretty neat. And here, features and benefits. As you can see, I wrote it all very beautiful, very nice, very branded. High demand. Most orders arrive to the 7 to 15 business days. So, guys, like, if you want to like make your site look branded, you have to be transparent. And I haven't had any problem with refunds or anything. And after all, I just got like around 50 orders. So, and here you can see in the walk background again, I found my product that in the color, like in the same color as the site. Why choose our sweater blanket? Blah blah. No chemical, saving protection. And here we have a analyst breakdown. And here I made this with the mock-ups. That this says like the product gonna come in this. The color is brown, Eon Comfort. Here is the logo, and here is like keep your bob in comfort. It's very branded. And the end said, and at the end I say available online only. We ship worldwide. So guys, I don't recommend like doing this because it's very risky. When the customer buys it, like where's the box? But I don't know, man. I just did it. So as you can see here, you have our guarantee here as well. So scroll below, you see the pages. I'm going to show you the pages from here. It's better. So you can see home, shipping, track your order, contact, FAQ, our story, contact us. Again, go certification, refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, search. I'm gonna page you the shipping page. Look, this shipping I made it in with placeit.net, so you can just change your logo. There's like ton of like mockups there, so like you can put your logo there, you can put everything, and is best for POD, print on demand, when you don't have like lifestyle photos with your t-shirt, like everything you're selling. So you can just use that site. So I used it in this kind of way. As you can see, here is the logo that match the colors, website's color. And yeah, here's like it's look very branded. It's matched the color. It seems like she's working like in this company. And shipping times, I have this shipping, free truck shipping, everything I like say all the times. Very beautiful, nice. And then you come to track your order page. As you can see, they can track your orders there. And here in contact, they can contact me in here, as you can see. And then FAQ, like everything is nice here. Our story, like I went to the same set and I got this. Guys, this is like mad. And here's like our story, like she's the CEO or something. From mothers to mothers or something like that. And here it is, as you can see. Then I come to contact us. I showed you. This is a like big, like global organic threshold standard. This is like the company that likes gets you like verified when you want to get in the baby niche. So produce the baby products, everything. So I was like, we are certified from there, and this is certification, refund policy, privacy policy. And guys, yeah, that's it. That's a one product store, everything. And as you can see in here, I have put this website is not uh, part of a Facebook website or Facebook Inc. Actually, this site is not endorsed by Facebook in any way. Facebook is a trademark of Facebook Inc. So guys, all you have to do to make this do this, you have to go to your themes, and then from there you can right click on edit language, and when you go to the language at the top of the page, you can search powered, and when you search powered, that powered by Shopify that comes in here gonna pop up, and you can delete it, and you can just put this text, you can just pause it and write everything I wrote. So what this is gonna do is, like, when someone from Facebook gonna come and check your website whenever you want to get your business manager verified or anything else, when they see you have put this, like, they're gonna see, okay, like, he knows, and they're gonna get obviously happy, and, like, yeah, I don't know, that's gonna help your case or something like that. So guys, this is what my page looks like. I hope you guys, like, got some kind of value out of it. The website domain is eoncomfort.com, so if you want to go copy anything, like take the text from this, you can just go take it. It's free. I got it for free, so why you guys can have it. So I'm gonna see you in next video, guys.